Welcome to the number 8 Surest tip to wow yourself and your French examiner. And it is titled Le Pronom. Le Pronom. Now, as usual, quickly consider the questions on the screen and just try. So by the end of the session, you should be able to give perfect, accurate answers to them. All right, we have 6 questions there. Okay, let's dive in. Le pronom it is a pronoun that is used to replace nouns. Of course, if it doesn't replace a noun, then it's not a pronoun. Okay, and the concerned nouns should depict either of the followings, okay, of it, of them, some, or any. All right, before you can use the pronoun on, what you want to change, the noun that you want to replace must have the sense of it, of them, some, or any. And when we say some here, we are saying the some that we have the sense of a noun, not an adjective. Because, for example, if you are saying some books, some people, then the some there is an adjective. It is qualifying them, right? But we are talking about some that will be used as a pronoun that can stand alone. For example, I have some. Okay, some is not qualifying anything, is staying alone, so it's a pronoun here. Okay, so and we have quick facts here. Le pronom en is different from preposition en, which means in. Of course, you need to understand even from the topic, from the title, it is a pronoun, not a preposition. And the second one, the le pronom en, is always placed before the first verb, all right, in the case of 2 or more verbs. Okay, for example, when we are combining 2 or more verbs like veux, acheter, want to buy. Okay, for example, il veut acheter, he wants to buy. So we have 2 verbs there, right? Or il va acheter, he is going to buy. So we have 2 verbs there. So they are saying that for you to use pronom en, then the pronoun on has to be placed before the verb. If it is one verb in that sentence, then it is placed before the first verb, all right? If it is 2 verbs or more, it will be placed before the first verb as well. Okay, so the first verb, it's important to note that. Good, then the third point here is that when the noun to be replaced is modified by an adjective or adverb of quantity, such modifier will not be deleted, even with the use of on. I need to take that rule with you again. This third one is saying that, for example, you may have maybe a numeral, right, like number, okay, with a noun, and you want to change that now. If that now has the sense of each of them, some or any, as we stated earlier, and you want to replace it with on, then that qualifier will remain. You are not deleting the qualifier. You need to understand that. Or maybe adverb of quantity such as a lot, all right, like beaucoup, okay? So you are not deleting beaucoup, it will stay. It is only the noun that will be replaced, all right, with on. Now let's go further. We have examples here. The first one, j'ai 5 voitures. I have 5 cars. I have 5 cars. So you want to change it now, right? J'en ai 5. I have 5 of them. That's what we are saying. So you cannot replace j'ai 5 voitures with j'en ai. No. Because that 5, there's something they want that number to do there. So you are keeping the number, you are keeping the numeral, right? So j'en ai 5. And you need to understand that the on is coming before the verb. What's the verb here? Right? So for example, if it is, look at it, that's I have. So it has to come before have. Okay, so j'en ai 5. Good. Then the second one that we have, mon copain veut acheter des oranges. Mon copain veut acheter des oranges. My pal wants to buy some oranges. My pal wants to buy some oranges. So how do we change that? Il en veut acheter. You know, I told you that when you have 2 verbs combined together, it is coming before the first verb. Okay, on. So, and what does that mean? It wants to buy some. It wants to buy some, all right? In other words, on now is used, if you remember, we say that the now you want to replace must have a kind of sense of it, of them, all right? Or some, any, okay? You can just go back to the previous slide that I shared with you. Then we go to the next one there. The third one, ma copine veut des pommes. Ma copine veut des pommes. My female pal wants some apples. So, and if you want to change that now, we are replacing apples. All right. So, elle en veut, she wants some. Elle en veut, she wants some. All right. Then it is important that this number 3 is different from elle veut les pommes. Look at it. What we change is elle veut des pommes. She wants some apples, right? And but this other one, elle veut les pommes, she wants the apples. And that, if we are saying the apples, that is direct object, okay? And direct object has no business with on. So you need to understand that elle veut les pommes, she wants the apples, and then she wants them. She wants the apples, she wants them. Elle veut les pommes, elle les veut. But the other one is she wants some apples, she wants some. You see that? Some, then, them, right? Okay, good. So you need to understand that. So then the fourth one, j'ai beaucoup de travail. I have a lot of works, right? J'ai beaucoup de travail. Now, how do we change that? We are replacing travail now. De travail. All right, good. So j'en ai beaucoup. I have a lot of it. J'en ai beaucoup. So, you know, if you remember, I told you that the modifier will remain. Beaucoup here is remaining. You are not deleting it. All right. So, j'ai beaucoup de travail. I have a lot of work. J'en ai beaucoup. Then the fifth one there. As-tu de frères? Do you have any brother? Do you have any brother? Okay. No. Je n'en ai pas. No, I don't have any. Okay. I don't have any brother. I hope you get that. Can just go back to the example from the first to the fifth there. So, and we go to the solutions now, okay? Let's take that together. We have the first sentence there. Monsieur Jacques has cinq voitures, all right? Mr. Jack has 5 cars. So how do we say he has so, all right? Il en a cinq, right? He has 5 of them. Don't forget that cinq is there, right? Cinq is there. We are not deleting it, as we said. So, il en a cinq. So, on is coming before a. If you look at the screen, you see how I'm taking the cursor here and there. So, then the second one, je veux acheter des oranges. I want to buy some oranges, right? I want to buy some oranges, okay? How do you say, I want to buy some? You don't want to mention oranges again. That's why we say it's a pronoun. Okay, good. It's a pronoun replacing the noun orange here, or oranges rather. So what's the answer? Je veux acheter. I want to buy some. Do you understand? Je veux acheter des oranges. I want to buy some oranges. Je veux acheter. I want to buy some. All right, then we go to the next one, the number 3 question there. Ma copine veut des pommes. Okay. L, all right. Now you need to look at it first, understand what that means. You see apples here, as we treated in the examples before. My pal, my female pal, wants some apples. So she wants some. She wants some. How do you say that? Elle en veut. It's simple. Elle en veut. So veut is a verb, wants, okay? And we said that on is coming before veut. It's coming before the verb. Elle en veut, okay? She wants some. Then we go to the fourth one. Ont-ils peur de la mort? Are they scared of death? Are they scared of death? So how do we say yes? They are scared of it. Yes, they are scared of it. Oui, look at it. Ils ont un peu. It's un peu. All right. Oui, ils ont un peu. Look at it. Ont-ils peur de la mort? Are they scared of death? Yes, they are scared of it. Oui, ils ont un. Sorry. I need to take that again. Oui, ils ont non peur. All right, we is on per. Okay, that has to do with a bit of tonicity, pronouncing it in that way. All right, so we is on per. We is on per. Okay, and we go to number 5. Combien de frères avez-vous? How many brothers do you have? All right, how many brothers do you have? And the correct answer will be j'en ai 4. As I said that you are keeping the number. It's not going away. J'en ai 4. I have 4 of them. I have 4 of them. Good. And we have the last one here. Okay. I'm trying to take this. Okay. As-tu des soeurs? Okay. If you look at it, as-tu des soeurs? Do you have any sister? As-tu des soeurs? Non, je n'en ai pas. Non, je n'en ai pas. No, I don't have any. Non, je n'en ai pas. And you need to understand, just look at the way we try to put the on est in between ne and pas. For number 5, j'en ai 4. You see that? But the ne pas, the not in number 6, all right, will have on and the verb in between the first. Yes, we have on and the verb in between ne pas, which is not, right? So I don't have any. No, je n'en ai pas, right? You can just try to go through that again, and you should not have any problem with the treated tip again. Donc, merci beaucoup. À tout à l'heure.